Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz C Class 2.1 C250 BlueTEC AMG line G-Tronic Plus, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in diamond silver metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. You also have 18-inch AMG 5-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing the diamond silver metallic exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot lid, you have an electronic boot, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the crystal grey leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional leather steering wheel, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the vehicle, giving the cabin a nice light feel. The front seats are electronically adjustable, and as well as this they are also memory seats, allowing you to save this comfortable position, and they are also heated as well. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your volume control, hands-free options, and of course located on your steering column you can find your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 25,495 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. As well as this, you of course have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz C Class 2.1 C250 BlueTEC AMG line G-Tronic Plus that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.